Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I'm going to be doing a nail video for you today. Another set of holiday nails. I love these. This is my favorite right here. This little deer with the little red little rhinestone on his nose like Rudolph. These are so cute. I'm really sorry to see these nails go, but as you can see, I have started to lose them and I was gluing them on so that I could keep them as long as possible, but it's time to change, so come on down.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Hey, Santa, sleigh bells ringing and my friends by my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride. And I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need. And my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight.
All right guys, so I am loving these nails. Actually, they're a little softer than the normal nails. I don't know why. They tend to, like this one here, when I put it on and put pressure for the glue, you can see maybe, I don't know if you can see that, but it cracked at the base. So, you know, that isn't something that anyone's really going to see, but it is there. It did crack, so I just wanted to tell you that. But I was able to trim the little Rudolph, and he looks awesome. So yeah, I mean, these are different. I think they're kind of elegant, and what else? Tell me if you like them, guys. I think I like them. I'll definitely be wearing them for the next few days anyway, at least I will definitely get a week out of them and then put on a new set of holiday nails. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out, checking out this new set of holiday nails. I am planning to do a few more holiday videos between now and Christmas. I do have a countdown to Christmas vlog that is coming out Christmas Eve. So I hope that you will check that out. And if you have any ideas for videos for 2022, let me know in the comments. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. See you in my next video. Bye for now.